Hey everyone, it's Duncan Epping, yellowbricks.com, and today I'm going to show you something which I think is really valuable that was introduced as part of vSAN 7.0 Update 2, and it's actually part of the configuration section. So when I go to my vSAN cluster and I click on configure, I now have a new option under vSAN services, which basically allows me to specify what my warning threshold should be whenever I reach a certain level of capacity. Now, as some of you may know, in the past, vSAN would be reporting these capacity challenges fairly early on, and especially when customers are using the operational reserve option, there really is no need to warn that early on, at least for the majority of customers. So what you could do is enable operational reserve and then customize the alert. I could, for instance, set a warning at 85% and maybe even an error at 95%. Of course, which percentage you select should be based on what you are comfortable with and what the size of your environment is. Now, I just enabled the operational reserve option. One other thing I do want to mention is the host rebuild reserve, because this basically allows me to set aside capacity in case a host fails. So if you're one of those customers that is using, for instance, vSphere HA admission control, the host rebuild reserve is very similar to that functionality. So make sure to enable that as well if you want to set aside capacity for rebuilds to occur successfully. And with that, we've reached the end of the demo. Hopefully you found it useful. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.